dog Duke might stand up, and then he's in my lap at the moment. We're at our
I
house,
was gonna say,
my house.
Filming at her house.
My house today. It's not quite as bright as Kim's house, so hopefully you guys will bear with us. I just felt like filming here. Especially because we got a new coffee table and like we could set things on it.
Is it like taped on all sides? Jeez.
She got her Fabfitfun and I didn't, so I'm really jealous because I'm scared I'm not going to get mine for like a week or two because I think that's what happened last time is it was so late. We're like, why even put this video up?
But I think in every video I should talk crap about Look Fantastic because they never did resolve my situation after me messaging them for 2 weeks. So I told them I was canceling. So you know what? Look Fantastic, in every video I'm going to talk crap about you because you guys suck. Because you never charged me, you never shipped it to me, you never did any of that, even though I have a subscription for 12 months.
They had poor service over her chat with them too,
Anyway.
so. Can you lift? Can you lift?
This looks like that, but that's because there's, like, it wouldn't even come in this if we didn't get add-ons, I don't think, right? So
Yeah, we always get something extra. That's what makes Fabfitfun
the only,
so fun.
in our last one, if you guys watched it or are going to watch it, it was like a lot longer because I think I got like 50 things. But in this one, I just got like more of the, which I get this every time, little cocoa floss because it's only like $5, I think, or something, instead of $8 or whatever. And then I got one of these in the, I think it came as one of our choices in our prior months or seasons. Because it was like a pink one, and we were both like, we want that, but it's the wireless charging pad. So I thought I could get it.
I barely use mine though. I always take it with me, like I'm gonna use it somewhere, and then I never use it. And
could give that to my
I
husband.
don't use it at home, so I'm like, eh.
Okay, but as far as this goes,
Aw, kitty curry.
yeah, that's the front. Well, I don't know. You could show whatever you want out of that.
Editor's note.
They give us a sticker.
It shows what's in the box, which is a lot of.
There's that
stuff.
card. Add a little
see.
sparkle to your shine. $15 off.
They have Stand Up to Cancer, which is cool.
Oh, your first box, I guess. Is that what it says for people? And then HBO Max. 14-day trial.
I was like, winter drinks that I'd be interested in just for the taste of them.
Nourish. 30% off with Fabfit 30, I think is what it says. I usually just toss this stuff, but I'm in her house, so. And then HelloFresh. Okay, anyway.
And this is relaxing yoga poses, and we've been doing some yoga, so that's kind of exciting.
So you'll have to remind me what we chose and what's something that they just stuck us with.
I know, there's a granola bar in there. That's the first thing that caught my attention. Because I have no idea what, that's just something for fun.
Yeah, there's a granola bar, and I'm not sure why.
I don't even know.
Or protein bar, whatever it might be called.
That might just be an extra. I don't see it anywhere in there.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
thank you, Fabfitfun, for that.
So what are the things I know, well, where would that be? The little, no, it's not little, but why is that box open? I don't know. Should I just pull something out? Okay. So first thing I'm pulling out is Wish's Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens.
It's in Vanilla Bean. And it was that versus Blemish Patches or versus the Low Belt Croc Card Case, which is cute. You can kind of see, I think those were the only choices. You can kind of, I know we're kind of far away, but you can kind of see there was like a little cute little croc case.
So I probably chose this then, right? Okay.
Well, that's what I was going to say. Let me see. That was a blue. Let's find out if you did.
Or if they just gave
No,
it
that
to
was
me.
their pick for
Oh.
you. So
Well, that's
maybe
good.
look at that croc case because I kind of get my eye on that. I'm like,
and then this, did they pick?
that's a pink.
I'm like, this was for you,
It's
right?
pink.
I mean, for me, right?
It's pink. Pink is select members. So, because did we both pick out the dry shampoo? Like it's apple cider?
I don't think I picked that. I'm like, oh, but it had my name on the thing, right? So this has to be mine.
Yeah.
Did I pick that? I don't know. I didn't remember
You
picking
might
that,
have. Your
but
choices would have been
maybe I messed up.
revitalizing eye gels. I know you don't need that. A cutting board.
No, did I pick the cutting boards?
Oh, I said pink. Or the shampoo. You think they ran out?
Well, anyway,
For some reason we get this mixed
I
up.
will
You can
find-
have mine if we do the
will
opposite.
find this out later. Okay.
Maybe they got us confused.
And
I
then,
don't know.
like,
If I
what's
picked
this
that,
tiny
I
little
think.
thing. I'm like,
I don't know. You'd have to open
Is
it. Let
it
me
that?
see. Yeah, but I think that's their choice too. It's a blue. So
okay.
this one
This
should
is-
either have a liquid eyeliner by Aesthetica, London Town Get Well Nail Recovery, or Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher.
Okay.
Which is
So-
what that looks like.
Yeah.
It's a silky smooth formula that blends seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous flush of color.
So if it was like a pink shade, I'd want to keep it. But if it's like,
It looks like it's kind of like, I mean, if that's the color, it's like a peachish,
yeah. So well, I don't know.
pinkish,
with that.
peachish kind of shade.
Okay. And then I have Dr. Brandt's pore dermabrasion. I could have sworn I didn't pick this either. This is weird.
Okay, yours, that one was either that or the velvet headband, which we said we didn't think anybody in their, mind would want. Because we're just like,
have this up in my
a
cupboard.
headband.
So
A headband. If you want a headband, go to the store.
I might be putting lots of this in the
Pore
giveaway.
purifying cleanser, an eyeshadow palette, or lash mascara. Did you pick the palette for?
Yeah.
Guys,
What?
it was supposed to be a palette for our a giveaway. We were just gonna put that palette Kim got. She picked it out for you guys, kind of like for one of our giveaways. And so
That is crazy. That's
this
kind of
is weird. Weird.
I'm gonna have to like
Well, let's find out what else you got that
give
you
them a
didn't
call and
expect.
find out what the heck is going on.
Let's see.
So this is like scrunchies, I'm guessing.
Yeah, did you pick those? I thought you picked those. Maybe I'm wrong.
I hope so, because so far that would be the like only thing.
Scrunchies,
would
scrunchies.
be
I forgot,
right.
I forgot what that's under. Oh,
I don't
wait.
know. I have to find out.
7.
It's probably not one I picked, right?
Oh no, yeah, they picked it. It's jewelry ombre leopard scrunchies. Meow. Keep your hair out of your face with these leopard print scrunchies. It was either that or a dry brush. Just those two choices on that one. So.
I gotta find out why my customized things didn't get
That's
customized
kind of scary.
whatsoever.
That is scary, guys, because mine, I'm going to be mad if I didn't get what I was supposed to. Are those them?
Didn't we pick those?
I thought so.
This is so weird. Did it not
Okay.
save any of my things whatsoever?
So she got, we wanted the Kate Spade New York workout socks. There was also a brightening eye balm by Tula Skincare. Lux Cabin socks. That's what those look like, which we don't believe either of us chose. And then Voir Hair Care Rhythm, Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. I know it's weird because I actually, you know what, Kim, if I do get mine, I'll give you mine and I'll take those because I kind of been wanting some kind of like booty thing, but I did pick the other. What are they called? Yoga socks. Like,
I'm all confused, y'all. None of this stuff is what I chose, so I'm gonna have to find out what happened.
I know, maybe it didn't say or something.
So this is Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, which, I mean,
Algenist Complete. Where are you? Algenist.
I thought you read this as like one of the choices, and that I chose something different than this. But is this one that they
2D,
chose?
2D, 2B or not? It's green, so it's all members could have chosen from. So you would have had the choice of ceramic mugs, which isn't that what you picked? Did you pick the mugs, or was it the moisture or the? Hold on, or Codele Vinyl Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet, or Murad's Rapid Collagen Infusion, or Algenist Complete Eye Balm, which is that, or Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf, Impressions Vanity, or the Impressions Vanity Company Mirror. Did you get the mirror or this? I thought you got one of those two.
I think I would have got that.
The Murad's.
But I'll have to look and see.
But like Fabfitfun, full of surprises.
And then let's see, Summer and Rose.
That might be the one thing that I
I
thought.
did show the balm to you guys, right? I did show that, right? And then I don't know what this is.
Did you not get the robe?
Oh,
The cozy robe. That might be the one thing you actually got that you
okay.
chose. Maybe they were out of products, but I've never seen them do that for their people who are like annual like us. I've never seen that happen, but it's possible. So she could have gotten a Vera
Okay.
Bradley compact organizer, which I think both of us just didn't feel like we needed. A marshmallow blanket by Unhide Little. Bombay Sloan champagne flutes, which looked really cute, but or Summer and Rose cozy robe, or Loli. Oh gosh, there's a lot of choices. Sorry, Loli Beauty Teeth State Elixir, Kate Spade New York Rise and Shine stud earrings, and Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. So, as I said, these
I
are
think I was
champagne
gonna go with the
flutes that
flutes,
were-
but then I was like, well, I'll just pick the robe, even though I have a robe.
Goodness,
or
and
two,
you only
but-
got the one add-on, or was it two? I'm sorry.
Just the floss and then the charger.
I think
yeah.
I think I got 4 add-ons. So hopefully I got what I wanted. I hope, because otherwise you'll see 2 disappointing videos.
I know, after filming this, I'm going to go and check
Yeah,
what I
it's
ordered
like-
and see how many things they got wrong. And if they got if they got 1, I'll let it go. But if they got 4, then.
I just don't get. These are cute though. I guess this is something they would have given us. There's like Paradox. It's like blemish patches, but instead they're stars, which is. You guys know how I am about that. I don't really break out that often, but I do like things for blemishes. But yeah, usually this box is worth it for the add-ons because at least you do get to pick things that might be
That's
higher
true.
price
Usually those are good,
normally
yeah.
at some kind of discount, because she can prove that because she's bought things like several flosses at different stores, and this is the cheaper one. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. We're doing our giveaway very, very soon, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.